Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create sales commission tracker in Notion. So let's assume that you own a company and you have some of the salespeople. You offer them commission based on certain items being sold from your company, right? So you want to track that. So let's use Notion for this tracking. So let's create one page, choose table as database, then add new database where we have this table, right? So we'll rename this sales commission tracker. Here we have first column as name, so we use salesman name, right? Then we have tags, we'll remove that. Then we have number, use let's say US dollar, and rename this to sell amount, right? And then next would be choosing commission, which is going to be a percentage. So we use number, then use again US dollar instead of percentage. So let's rename this to commission. Then we also need date, right? So we have date as well. Finally, notes, right? So we have like these columns here. Salesperson name, we will add something like John Doe. Then sell amount 12,500, commission let's say 600. Then date we have 8th of Feb. Let's say sold kitchen item, right? Like this we can keep on adding all the commission that we paid, and we can also keep track of one of the column where we can see how much balance we have from sales and also from commission being paid. So we will try and separate that, put it into tracker, right? So you get the idea how to create sales commission tracker in Notion.